India moves because its trucks move, and when a truck moves, it carries the weight of the nation. On Indian roads, impact is unforgiving. And when a truck is involved, it doesn't just affect the driver, it affects everyone around. That's why safety cannot be theoretical. At Tata Motors Commercial Vehicles, safety is not a feature, it is a decision made at the design stage. We study real accident data from Indian roads, identify high-frequency and high-severity accidents, simulate thousands of crashes digitally, and design cabins that preserve drivers' survival space. Every pillar, every joint built to take the hit. We test for reality. We create our own due care impact tests based on real Indian accident scenarios, because safety is proven only one way, under impact. We have taken the initiative to design our truck cabins to meet the most stringent European crash safety norm, ECE R29.03, a regulation focused on one critical outcome, driver's survival space. We did not wait for it to be mandated. We chose to lead. We engineered our trucks for both ECE R29.03 norms and accident research-based due care crash tests. Together, it is a gold standard for truck safety development. But there is one question that truly tests cabin strength. What happens when a truck collides with a truck head-on?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So this time we didn't just simulate it, we tested it. Drivers don't remember specifications, they remember the truck that brought them home. And when drivers are protected, fleets don't stop, deliveries stay on schedule, and businesses keep moving forward. Because safety isn't just about survival, it's about continuity, confidence, and progress that never stalls. Tata Motors Commercial Vehicles, designing, testing, and leading safety for Indian roads. These aren't just trucks, these are Desh ke trucks.